Spy just pinned here. I mean, you're sitting right on this 700 psychological level, right on yesterday's close, right on previous session's high, basically. 3 trend days in a row. Maybe. Hey.
What's up, big dog?
Oh, this guy just gonna come in with the chip bag in our ear. What's he got?
Share
what are
some.
those?
Oh, energy and focus gum. Let's go.
Yum.
Good gum?
Neurogum. Neurogum, yeah.
Neurogum.
What's up, guys?
Here we go. Hey,
That's
okay.
steady.
We got a few people. Rooster, please stay calm. There are females in the chat. Please stay
goodness.
calm.
What'd you trade today, Amp?
A little short in the morning.
Same.
A couple scalps long on this. Just these little EMA 9 touches. I
Sounds
haven't
like we did
touched
the
it.
exact same thing.
Yeah. I had a little scalp short here. I got stopped out of one here.
Hey, I
Couple
took
times
that
here.
trade too.
Had to try it.
Dude, I got shit on for trying that by some people. I took the trade. I took a short on SPY. When
Good
the
God, Rooster.
9:35 candle closed.
Rooster's the reason why we have 92% male audience. Good Lord. Rooster's about to get a 15-minute timeout. God dang it. Casey had some good debates earlier.
Oh Jesus! What about now?
I'll need to use Chat GPT to write that.
I don't... What?
What's the new debate for today?
Well, we've had a few. We had a little poll on sports earlier. Oh,
How
man, this is
delicious
long
is
right here.
Coors Banquet beer?
I'd say I'm not a huge beer drinker, but I would put that near the top if I had to drink beer.
He's not a beer drinker though, but you know,
Yeah.
we were getting shit. I personally like Coors Banquet, and now we're
Banquet?
back in the chat.
All right, Casey, here's what happened, okay? Jordan
I
sat down, got on the stream. He cracked open a can. It was a great sound. And Brady had a good idea that he ruined on the back end because he said, hey, we should just get that sound right there on the soundboard. That'd be sweet. Just a Coors Banquet. And I'm like, what?
Yeah.
Dude, that was what you went with? Of all the beers that you could have gone with, just Coors Banquet, which is like third in its subcategory, below the champagne of beers,
Cell
below
50,
Budweiser, the king of beers.
Cell 76.
Bud Heavy. And then we had somebody like I don't know. I don't want to get triggered today. But I had to steer the show away from the IPA conversation real fast.
M's a Budweiser guy?
Nah, I mean, no, I
Specific, though.
clearly said
Oh,
in the subcategory of that style of beer. Which
What are
is
you more?
Bud
Well,
he's
Heavy,
an IPA
champagne
guy.
of beers. I'm not. No. Do
Casey,
not
doesn't
trigger
it
me,
remind
dude.
you of like an IPA bartender at a craft beer
Oh my
house?
No.
It's just the beard. It's just the beard.
I could see. M, do you like Blue Moon?
Okay, so we went over this earlier, actually. So when you bring that up. Do I like Blue Moon? Not really, but what I can do is I can enjoy one Blue Moon with an orange if it's
With
off
an
from
orange.
tap.
Yeah.
So if you give me a tap Blue Moon with an orange in it, I
Yep.
can drink one. After one, I am sick of the Blue Moon.
Same.
It's enjoyable for one short, like a 12-ounce draft Blue Moon. That's it.
Same. Again, I'm not a beer drinker, but if I go sit down somewhere, that will usually be the one that I will get.
Blue Moon's good. I'll give you that.
And then Jordan came in talking about his meads. Said he likes to just take 8.5 to the face.
8.5% mead tastes like a soda all day. All day. All day.
Make sure that percent gets in there.
I
Yeah.
don't know. I think I'm gonna go to the lake on Sunday and drink a bunch of High Noons.
Yeah.
There you
I
go.
like that. I like that.
I'm not going to shit on that.
It's a good idea.
I'm not going to drink High Noons, but
I only drink High Noons at the lake. It's literally the only place I'll drink a High Noon is at the lake.
There you go, Keegan.
I feel like the only time I would drink light beer would be if I was at the lake. And I didn't have anything better.
You're a Modelo guy. You like the Especial.
Pretty much any majority
How's
of Mexican
Sol?
beers. What?
Soul beer.
Sol's a solid beer. It's not
By
that
80.
common down here. I
Tecate
think
guy?
it's
By 47.
Tecate is not great, to be honest.
Tecate is-
Soul.
Tecate is like Bud Light,
Yeah.
or like Michelob.
You could buy
There's
30
Tecate
rounds.
Light. It's like a Michelob of Mexico. It's just
For those who work corporate jobs from home, at what point do you crack a beer? What time do you sit down at your desk?
yeah.
The answer is yes.
You know, what?
Yes.
Y'all seen that meme that goes around where the wife walks out and she's like, "Hey, honey, you want a beer?" Because he's like cleaning the car or whatever, washing the truck or something. She's like, "Hey, honey, you want a beer?" He's like, "It's a little early for that, isn't it? A little early for a beer? No, for stupid questions. Of course, I want a beer."
That's good.
Let's go check Netflix.
Looking good. Got through the 200 day.
Fumbled the bag. on
Dude, I am going to probably sell some options on it.
Dude, I'm scared it's gonna like have good earnings and just fly through.
I mean, I hope so.
But see, I want to own it.
Oh, you didn't buy the dip?
No, I do own it. I'm saying I don't
Oh,
want to
okay.
like. I don't really want to do any like calls that would do like covered calls or anything.
No, I'll probably do a spread.
These, so you know what's funny? These VMCs, the Viva Mexico Cabrones, these things are actually good. It's like a better version of a White Claw with way more flavor. I don't know how to describe it. They're actually really good though.
Nah, the Topo Chico seltzers are goated.
It's not something I'm going to drink like 5 of, but the Topo Chico ones aren't bad because they're not super sweet like some of the other ones.
I could drink 12 of those, and I have on like a Sunday. They're pretty good.
I've never heard of Sans Light. Oh, the
Adams?
Red Stripe, a little Jamaican, a little Red Stripe solid. Do we just long here?
I
Reclaim
already
the
did
EMAs?
at 76.
My indicator printed a
15
buy
minute
signal
engulfing?
across all of them for the 5-minute Morning Star right there.
Yeah, and the 5-minute Morningstar, 15-minute Bullish and Golf. I don't know. I don't really feel like pressing my luck right now.
I don't necessarily
Oh, there we go.
like entering
Dos
a new
Equis
trade
Amber
right
is
here.
great. Pacifico is solid. Dos Equis Amber, Negro Modelo, the dark. I like those dark beers.
What tastes like hairspray?
What tastes like hairspray? What did I miss?
It tastes like hairspray. I'm assuming.
Quick reminder, everyone, make sure you click live and stay up live with the conversation, hanging out with us. You can always look at your chart and look at my chart. And if it's like more than 5-10 seconds difference, you're way behind. Also, while you're making sure you're live, make sure you like the stream and you subscribe to the channel. Also, shout out to the whole Wolf crew hanging out with me. KC, Frankie's been hanging out all day. Brady's been here pretty much all day. Jordy up here hanging out. We had Rizzo this morning. Will came by for a little bit.
Oh, let's go. You saw Will?
I miss Will.
Yeah, Will came and hung out. Shared some
Good.
thoughts. He's been busy catching back up from his vacation, so
Yeah.
he came and shared some thoughts today. Here goes that long ski. Wolf Trading, live day trading, market analysis, breaking news, all that. Nobody had that Trump post faster than me this morning.
Let's
Nobody.
go. Fire.
And live day trading every day. Markets open right here on Wolf Trading, presented by Leverage Share. Shout out to our sponsor. Live free stream every day. I don't even put on the commercials for you guys.
I took some Q calls 0 days, the 641s.
Amber's Porter's box. Yeah, that's solid. I like this guy. I like this guy right here. Sponsored by Tecate. No. Modelo would be a cool sponsor, though. I like my beer like I like my women. Dark. Dude, back in the day, I worked at a bank with like all women, and they would always mess with me and with everybody all the time. They'd joke like in the morning they'd be making their coffee. I like my coffee like I like my men, tall, dark, and handsome. So then I was like, I like my coffee like I like my women, Colombian.
Colombian. Yes.
See.
David, yeah, Leon's a good one. Sometimes I just get bored and I just want to try new stuff. I just like try new stuff out every once in a while. And then I go back to Old Faithful. Like I go buy something, I'm like, okay, let me just buy like some Modelo or something like that, Victoria. And then I'll buy like just a couple of new things to try. Wow, did two people just say the exact same joke? Shiner box solid. Uh-oh, Roman. Troy, I meant to backtest this. 13-day streak and a 14-day streak in the last 20 years. I need to backtest. I need to, because we were talking about that last night on Spaces. Oh, Roman just likes it natural. Okay. Yeah, Texas. Yeah, Shinerbach is a staple of Texas. Well, 5-minute shooting star here into the EMAs. There was a lot of volume on QQQ right there, by the way. Might be a failed bullish signal. 15 minutes still looks okay, though. Yeah, I mean, my base case was a range-bound day. We're a little bit above it. Tech's still stronger, but S&P, IWM is red on the day still. NVIDIA also interestingly red today. Kind of a mixed bag, honestly, when I look at the watch list. I see red NVIDIA, red Apple, red Google, red Tesla, green Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and then the rest of your top 10, Netflix, Costco, and Broadcom, all green. Banks are about half and half. Wells Fargo's up. Citigroup's down. JP Morgan's up. Bank of America's down. Goldman's is up. Taiwan Semi red, Hood red. Everything else is pretty green. Uber's down. MU, IBM, Qualcomm, CRM, Net. Oracle having a good day.
eBay,
eBay having a great day.
UPS,
Rivian might be time to short again.
freaking.
It probably needs to go higher first. That kind of looks like lower highs are going to break.
Ooh. Oh, that's Rocket Lab.
Rocket Lab had a huge breakout today. Emma Jamma nailed that last
It's
Wednesday.
up
She was on it.
11%.
Yeah.
Dell.
My one thing that I've said over and over, just stay long space until the SpaceX IPO. That's my call.
Then sell it all.
Dell had a great Dell was down yesterday pretty decently. Today just boom, right back. AMD's the other one, new all-time high, huge breakout.
I don't know how much more I can trade today.
No, I just don't. I feel like you're in the
I
late
just got
stages of a
myself.
trend.
I just got myself green on the week, and I'm like, tomorrow's Friday.
Yeah.
Like
Exactly.
FAFO Friday is using profits to
What?
risk a little bit on some 0 days and try to make a little bit more. But if you lose it, you lose it, and it's like after the shit that I just went through, I don't know if I want to give anything back tomorrow.
Then call it Free Money Friday. You don't want to fuck around and find out. You want free money.
Right? Not sure if you've ever gave back on a Friday. I don't. When's the last time we had a red Friday? Fridays are usually bangers. We'll see. Maybe risk like 500. XLE has a super flag.
See, like just when you think it's gonna roll over. Shooting star, revert. Nope. 15 minutes still looks good.
Well, you remember Oxy and XOM yesterday?
Yeah, well, crude is pumping today too. Oxy came off that 50-day perfectly off the low too. Look at that.
Oxy's setup yesterday was a great long. I like that over the XOM.
Yeah, and you had a easy. I mean, with the 50-day and this previous price
Mhm.
action, you had a pretty easy entry, even if it gapped down today a little bit. But
Yeah.
I mean, your base case was like you held and pushed off of it yesterday. You get some follow through on a bounce here.
XOM didn't have the
probably go
same
back
setup
to
with the EMA or with the moving averages, but XOM on the daily to zoom out, look left, it just had support there.
Yeah,
That's-
I mean,
It
big
just
support.
lined up with those two yesterday, and I was like,
and
oh,
you had
man, that looks
two-
good.
two bottom wicks into the same area, and it did gap fill today from Monday gap down.
I had 4 lotto swing ideas, and it was Oxy, XOM calls, and CVNA and Bloom Energy puts. And I did Bloom Energy and CVNA puts. And they printed.
This is
Wow.
this is also true. Texas is a whole nother country.
Texas is a whole nother continent.
Texas is a great place. I like Texas.
You can buy a mansion there for like $300,000.
And they were. Oh yeah, dude. That's what like people from California just don't understand, or New York.
I heard
even.
they fuck you on property taxes, though. That's the.
Yeah, well, the property taxes are high, but there's no state income tax, so it balances.
Oh, that's. I know where
Like-
I'm moving to.
Instead of paying 10% to the state of North Carolina or whatever, you pay decently high property taxes, but it evens out.
Dude, I sat here last night at like 9:30 on the phone with my CPA, paying my state tax and federal tax, and I cried myself to sleep afterwards.
Yeah, I told my wife we're poor for a little bit.
Freaking stupid. Absolutely dumb. No state income tax, but property taxes are absurd. Water and electricity and toll bills will also fuck you.
Yeah, but you also live in a better place than 90% of the country.
Ever heard of the fraud tax in Minnesota? I was gonna say, what's like the average like water and electricity bill monthly for like your, I guess, normal?
I mean, it's not like crazy. Oop. 15-minute wins.
What if they got natty gas?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, you gotta have natty gas.
So the electric bill is $400 to $500 a month in the summer, with gas $100 and water $150.
What I remember is the water was a little bit higher, but it wasn't that different from where I grew up.
My gas bill is about $200 a month, but my electric
Well, it's during the winter
is-
though, right?
Yeah.
It's like in June and July, you're not gonna have near the amount of hot water and like. Is your heat on electric or on? Is
Gas.
You have gas for your central
Yeah.
heat?
Yep.
Yeah, so like that'll be way easier on you.
I think my average gas bill right now is anywhere between like 160 to 210. And then it's the same thing for electric though. My electric is around that same as well. So between the two for gas and electric, it's about $400 a month. And the house is about 4,000 square feet. So it's not bad. Water bill right now is like $40 a month flat rate. And then if we turn on irrigation, then it's like 120, which I have to turn back on because now we're getting into 80-degree full sun weather.
Kind of just looks like a bull flag, honestly. On the 15. OpenAI is releasing an update to Codex. Property tax is going to be so Texas has high property taxes to offset the fact that they have no state income tax. Like, you guys have to realize the government's going to get the money that it needs to function and operate no matter what. It's just like which bucket are they taking
Where
it
they
out of?
pull it from. Mhm.
Yeah. So it pretty much offsets. unless you're in California where they just completely bend you over no matter what. Because
I can't.
it can't run itself.
Unless, honestly, unless you have a really good high-paying job, you're from the place and your family's there. Why else would you ever be in California?
Agree.
Like,
even I got the fuck out.
Anybody that
Like-
works remote, I feel like anybody smart that works remote is getting the hell out of California. Why would you? Especially if you could make California wages remotely. See ya.
Well, the Richies probably leaving New York too with all the tax.
They all go to Florida.
Like the houses they're building here right now, if they were to build them in California, they're about 3 times the price.
Yeah.
This house right now in California, if it was built there, it'd probably be anywhere between 1.5 and 1.8 million dollars, which is absurd. That's stupid.
The average
That's-
house in my hometown is 1.5. The average
Yeah.
house in my hometown. And I
What was like the
I-
average square footage of most of those houses? Somewhere between probably like 2,500 to
I was
3,000.
gonna say like 25 to like 32, maybe
Yeah.
maybe 35.
That's what I like. That's insane. You're paying
bro.
like
And I don't like Ojai, like there's definitely like wealthy areas in there, but it's not like the richest town. It's a wealthy town, but the area I was in is like, it's not fancy or anything. But it's the getaway for all the LA people.
that Morning Star working out nicely on Spy.
Little golden pocket retrace of the downside range created since the highs. 523.75.
2 for 2 on the day. One short, one long.
Oh, what up?
Hey, he's on a big screen. Emp got rugged.
Oh
I
shit!
got rugged.
Ah, there he is.
All right, let's see how. I mean, I think Oxy can probably continue higher.
Yeah, it's still got a gap above it.
So maybe I can swing that into Friday.
Dude, what's crazy is in Arkansas, I can get you a house with 3,000 square foot, a pool, and like 2 to 3 acres for like $500,000 tops.
That's what I'm talking
It's
about.
insane, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, beautiful.
Yeah, it doesn't
house,
exist
too.
in California.
I remember like one of the first times I was talking to Paper, I was like, dude, if you realized what $1 million home in Arkansas looks like,
Mansion?
dude, that's what they look like.
Yeah.
You have like
Like
a
Houston.
rock waterfall into your hot tub jacuzzi that then flows into your heated pool.
Yeah.
Lebanon ceasefire was forced upon.
Freaking eBay. Oh my
Good.
God. Look at that daily chart. What a ripper. All right, let's go through some daily charts. What can I swang for FAFO Friday? Ooh. I'm not short an Oracle. AMD's on Freaking missile. Honeywell kind of rolling a little bit.
Oh yeah, Boca. Yeah, Boca's crazy expensive. Super nice, but crazy expensive.
AT&T popping. Cruise lines aren't bad. NCLH just filled the gap downside. CCL is already getting smacked. Watch your airlines as well. Those could be decent. Look at Delta, DAL right now. I think this can be a great swing short. Not a bad daily setup there. I'm already in the UPS and Mickey D's longs. Baba, I think Baba is at a really big spot right here on the daily. This back test right now, I think could be a great short.
Crude oil is just sending right now.
What else? Iowa and Q's having a really, really good day. Lowe's and Home Depot still kind of iffy. PayPal's trying to break 50. RGTI is ripping. Yeah, Rocket Lab, just that whole freaking group is on a tear. Tesla at the 50-day. Ooh.
AI headline for Anthropic.
Getting a sell signal about to close right now on Spying Fuse 5 minute for potential evening star. Confirmed evening star. Candle close.
Shortness. Yeah. Palantir, look at that. I got back just in time. We still got 2 more hours.
Mm-hmm.
What a great day. Guys made me thirsty.
There it goes.
Hey, this is Isaiah at McLarty Nissan of North Little Rock. We're paying sales tax on all vehicles, as well as 0% buying. Why am I getting this text message? How did you get my number? Never even bought a McLarty Nissan. There is no SoCo in this cup, Colin.
Look at the sniper bot channel. Look at 125, it said long everything, and then at 155, it said short it all again. It's just scalping it back and forth, but it's hitting.
I don't know if I've ever seen SoCo in Mexico either, now that I think about it. What is this magical indicator? It's more like a
Sell 28.
Oof. All right, that's a trim spot there on SPY and Qs for short after the signal.
I think we may have lost Emp again.
Yeah, he froze.
He's froze. Oh,
Oh.
fat
Get him,
red candle.
Casey.
pH fat candle.
We're gonna take out those relative equal lows. I think 430 here on NQ. Why not?
Ooh.
Why not?
Come
Unless
back down
they
the previous
fucking
day
shop
high
it.
retest on SPY.
Unless they just fucking chop it.
Look at that. Just went from 2 for 2 on signals to now 3 for 3 on signals.
Boo.
This is the price action that I like to see. Bam, previous day high retest SPY.
Bam.
Nice stop goes to entry.
Surely they can take out these relative equal lows.
I think it sent futures too. It said short ES at 70, 72.5 and NQ at 483. It's over 40 points, about to be 50 points now.
Bang. Oh shit. Emp got completely dropped.
See, Rye?
Guess so. Oh, do they hold it?
Your SPY previous day high right there. Qs is significantly lower. That is the spot you just tapped into, is the spot where the morning star formed for the upside move at 120 to 125. Someone said Trump is talking somewhere right now.
Yeah, they're trying to nerf Emp.
Am I back?
Yeah.
Yep.
Trump says the U.S. blockade of Strait of Hormuz is holding up well.
Trump said he's possibly meeting with Iran over the weekend.
They will be looking to make a deal. Say that's a little bit more bullish, but red candle. But
The dip before the rip? What do you think?
dude, Trump said if there's no deal with Iran, then the fighting will resume. That makes you feel good about swinging over the weekend.
Yeah.
He says, we're going to have a meeting this weekend, and if there's a deal made, fantastic. If there's not, the fighting resumes. Freaking roll the dice and swing something. Who knows? I'm going to go out on a limb and say they ain't going to reach a conclusion.
There we go. I'm back.
They'll give them like 5 terms for the agreement, but agree on 3 out of the 5.
Several Trump comments, but I don't see where he's live at. I don't know. To me, this looks like choppy the rest of the day.
Oh shit. Netflix. I wanted to see the premiums. So realistically, Netflix can probably move what 10%. Probably anywhere between 6 and 10. Trump says Iran has agreed to give us back the nuclear dust. Sounds like a drug.
That Sky Rizzy?
That nuclear dust.
That's
Get some of that.
crazy.
Get some of that nuke dust.
Wow. Fuel prices are not very elevated, making a lot of progress. Iran is willing to do things today that previously weren't. Looking very good that we're going to make a deal. Iran's agreement that they won't have a nuclear weapon goes beyond
Deal
20
no
years.
pickle.
Not sure the ceasefire needs to be extended. Next meeting may take place over the weekend. U.S. blockade is holding up well. There's no deal. Fighting will resume.
Trump says gas prices are not very high. Motherfucker, I paid $4.70 at the gas station this morning for premium.
Don't even talk about that. I would love to.
Yeah,
That's high here. I know it's
Not
like
very-
$10 where you're at, but
Trump prices aren't very high if you're not poor.
yeah.
It's not high. They're not high to you, sir.
I mean, you can sell 120s on Netflix right now. The 120 calls, you can collect a little bit of premium out there. I mean, the 120s right now, they're sitting at $50.
It's kind of funny that he calls it nuclear dust, but apparently we had to go get the nuclear stuff because they were 2 weeks away. I don't know.
Oh, IBM Daily. That was the other one. That could be a decent one.
I kind of want a short.
EOS on the daily. TTWO is a potential short. Top of the daily and weekly range.
I potentially want a short now, but
Hell yeah.
buy and IWM look a little better now. So it's like,
Make the Monday our masterpiece.
15-minute looks pretty rough.
Why did Baba gap up? The heck is that thing doing?
Netanyahu, Israel has not accepted Hezbollah's demand to pull back from southern Lebanon to the international border. I want to know where Trump is talking because I can't find. Call me crazy, but I think you could short right here for 10 points. Not 10, I mean, I'm sorry, like 30 points or so. Take it back to like 410.
IWM popping, Q's dropping lower, SPY kind of like in the middle-ish.
I know, right? That's why I was like, oh, the divergence isn't great.
I'm looking at all three of these charts right now within the last
all-
10
all
minutes. And
three.
they're,
It's like the different. It's like one's down, one's sideways, one's up.
there goes Q's. Q's is going down to target now. Your midpoint of the range is at 638.72. I mean, it's like 20 cents away.
Yeah, and your IB 25% retracement would take you back to 408, 409 right here. And midpoint is at yesterday's close, 364.
And there it is. 638.72. Q's.
Go ahead and slap that break even if you're in. Go ahead and slap that trim right here as you come into 410.
Damn,
Boom. There it
son.
is. Quick 30-point trade.
SPY previous day high retest again, same spot, but Q's got the follow through this time. A little relative weakness over there.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
You're fine, dude. AMD is coming in a little hot from the top.
Damn, son, why'd you short this?
Microsoft
Actually, it'd be
sells
more
signal
like-
at 150.
Damn, son, why'd you long this? Your ass ran over.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
I just can't find. I can't find like unless it's like on Fox News somewhere or something. I can't find where he's live.
Oh my!
Because the White House account's not live. There's no real live streams on YouTube.
Dude, I'm about to say, fuck it, man. Let's just not even discuss it, man. OMG. Oh! She's busting it down, thought Tiana.
Breaks
Bust
are
it down,
now.
Tatiana. Bust it down. 365.
Oh!
Give me 365.
Now Q's going for previous
You
day
might
high,
trim-
637.83.
Yeah, you might trim 380 ahead of yesterday's high. The midpoint of the IB though is 365, and it's yesterday's close.
AMD coming in hot, NVIDIA sell candle as well.
Nvidia
Flat.
broke through VWAP. Microsoft rolled over under the EMA.
Pretty sure it gave a short signal. It did. It said short NVIDIA at the 150 candle close.
Google new low of day. CrowdStrike coming down pretty decently now. AMD. Some of the stronger names are just going to come back probably to VWAP here. Your weaker names are breaking VWAP.
Ooh. Oh, it said short AMD at 1220, literally high of fucking day. That was a nice signal.
Trump looking forward to being in China.
China.
All right, hold on, guys.
Hold up.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hold up. Hey.
For my that we thinking we solved. Get ready for the next episode. Hey, hey, hey. Smoke weed every day.
By 31.
How do I get to
Oh,
this?
you took that AMD Ninja Waffles? Let's go.
How do
Nice
I get
work.
to the stupid QR code on? Oh, there it is. Discord.
Took AMD on that first 5-minute signal. Oh, over 2K profit? No! No way. Yeah, let me see the gains. If you're taking them, let me see the gains.
Love some game porn.
Yeah, we love game porn around here.
Whoa.
Gain.
Game porn, Amp.
Yeah,
Not that
don't
stuff
think
you
that-
watch on Thursday nights.
I don't think that P-word
Today's
does well in the
Thursday.
algo on here. Look, in case
That's
anybody's curious.
Weird stuff's gonna start popping up on your Wolf Financial For You page.
This would be the sniper bot in the KC Trades Discord.
Hey, look, that's where I was telling you. Look, so if you scroll up a little bit, it says buy everything for that Morningstar reversal,
Yeah.
and then it popped up, and then look below it, it said sell everything, and then there's all the charts afterwards.
That's so funny.
It caught both sides so far in this little range. I mean, not bad. That's what I'm watching right now is the 30-minute, still on SPY and Qs. Did a 30-minute squeeze.
Oh, look at my my little secret EMA holding on both right now.
Is that the 113 or the 223?
233.
233.
233, sir.
Let me see. Ooh, $2,725 of realized profit on AMD puts. Shout out to the Wizard. Amazing job.
Sell 91.
We got Stephen Hawking over here day trading with us
38.
today on Wolf
Sell
Financial.
39.
I think someone's covering.
Sell 30.
Where is Trump speaking?
Apparently he's in the White House lawn, and I guess News Nation has it on.
Trump just said that Iran has agreed to almost everything.
I feel like he's probably done speaking by this point, but I'll try to pull it up either way.
He said, I'll extend the ceasefire if I close the deal. He's looking forward to being in China.
Close the deal, bro.
He said that he's already ended 9 wars already. This will be the 10th one.
Yeah, create wars to end them. That's a good plan.
I didn't know there was 9 other wars.
Or did I, sir?
Obviously.
There's a war every day between the Bears and the Bulls.
There's a war every
Oh,
20
really?
minutes in my house.
Yeah.
Dude, I thought Matthew broke his nose the other night.
Ooh.
Dude, right before bedtime, we're playing around and he runs from me and he misses the beanbag chair and the couch. And there's like a foot gap between them.
Oof.
He trips and face plants full speed directly into the wall. He hit it so hard, it instantly started bleeding, and some of his skin from his nose is on the wall. I was like,
Oh,
this
he's
dude, he just broke his face.
he's about to get on the that Marine One helicopter.
Ooh. Is it on live stream?
It's on News Nation, like on TV.
Plug it in.
Plug it
Oh,
plug it
It's on my other computer.
What do you mean, other computer?
The one that's hooked up through
What do you mean
VPN.
it's dead?
What do you mean, you people?
You can honestly, you can barely hear him because of the helicopter. But there you go. You can't see him.
Let me see what I can do for you, Valgor.
No tax on tips.
No tax on tips.
They're getting a lot bigger refund than they thought. I'm not, sir.
I owe money.
I owe a lot of money.
I pay for these roads around me.
Oh, Haley's getting money back for the twins, so that's a plus.
Nice.
Still paying 6 figures in taxes even after getting that refund back, but
Yeah.
I've never felt more destroyed by the government in my entire life until I sent that money last night. Such a scam. You know,
I had to file an extension and still pay money. Stupid.
if you don't pay taxes, they'll send you to prison, and then you get to live free off of the tax money.
Hell yeah.
So, I mean, pick the battles. What is the risk worth the reward? And I mean, that's only if they catch you.
Yeah, I need to talk to somebody down here. Just set up some, like, half my stuff in this country.
Gotta try. I do trade under an S corp. I do have mine set up as an S corp, where I pay myself a salary,
Like
pay
what?
her a salary, the whole shebang. My thing is, like, I didn't really have any big deductions other than office space, utilities, like the monitors and all this right here. Like, this was like, $5,000 of a write-off, but whatever. One of the vehicles to write off, but like, I'm not involved in real estate or anything. Any other tax strategies for me to get big deductions. So,
Who's the
unfortunately,
blondie?
got no choice. Oh, there he is.
Finally found it.
Look at that blonde hair.
Microsoft still coming down after that sell signal.
I was talking about, like, stupid helicopters, all you can hear.
Oh, yeah.
IWM is holding pretty good.
I'm going to try a long at 408.
I worked construction with the guy that said he goes into jail through the winters.
All right, here's about 10 points.
Pop it for the man.
Stops are in profit, like 1.5 points.
Ooh. Netflix. 113 puts coming in. What?
Not enough on that follow through. Should have just scalped it for about 8 points.
Hey, 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 hey.
Quite 10.
President Erdogan or the regional leaders about the peace deal or the peace talks about with
dealing
Iran?
with everybody. We're dealing with all of the leaders on many different subjects. We're very close to a deal with Iran. Thank
All right.
You can't hear fucking shit.
Yeah, it was pretty rough even in my ear.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like they won't bring it down.
Come on. Yesterday's high, yesterday's close, midpoint. 2 more targets. Yeah. The helicopter. Loud helicopter. Great, beautiful American helicopter. Isn't it wonderful? Jack Johnson is. Never mind.
Even if the spy is
keep this a friendly show.
falling down.
547. 525.
There we go. There we go.
There you go.
Go. Run him over.
Gulag.
Coming into yesterday's high, trim spot there for me, and midpoint of the IB 365.
Down, down. Baby, are you down, 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 down?
Come on, come on.
Hi, Bubba.
All right, I just got my trim
Hi,
there.
Sissy.
Front running previous day high.
Get your tongue off my glass.
541.
Whoa.
Don't be licking my window.
Yeah, put my
525.
helmet on, kid.
Is it?
Oh, no, no, no.
Do you want to come say hi real quick?
Uh-oh, outer VWAP ban.
Kids are about to go enjoy the weather while I look at charts. It's bullshit.
This is my last trade. So
Hi.
Oh, we got a 2 for today.
You see up there? There. Uh-huh. You wave hi. 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 Yeah. I know. You're waving. Yeah. Say peace. There you go. Yeah.
nice.
Good job. Look if daddy does it, look what happens.
Look at that outer VWAP ban. 365
doing it.
spot 5 right now is the low.
Oh, it's not doing it. What?
Yeah, you need to make your hearts.
It's not doing the peace sign. I was doing it for imp. Look.
Oh, does it do that?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, there are the balloons. He
Don't
got
do
it. I tried to do it. It wasn't working. I guess
I don't
only
have a
imp can
heart.
do it. Oh, there we go. Look, ready?
Confetti?
See if this one works.
It's probably because it's picking up like 9 hands right now.
I'm thinking that's why, because there's too many freaking humans. Won't do
It
it.
doesn't like me. No party for Reed.
I know. Look, can you say flush it? Flush it.
Well,
All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
I say hi too.
Huh?
Let's say hi.
Yeah, you come right here. You can say hi to Imp. He's right there.
What's up?
Say hi, Imp.
Hi. Watch this.
Look. What? Oh!
Do you like balloons?
Look, balloons. Watch. All right, go. Into the pool. Yeah, Dada will come out in just a little bit, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
There it is. There's my last trim target right there. Midpoint of IB. Yesterday's close. We are red on the day now. Are we going to break the streak? What is this? Red day.
Uh-oh.
I don't know, but I just cashed.
Oh. Going red on the day?
Cash me outside. How about that?
About
Market
that?
may be red, but our accounts are green.
You already know.
Yeah. Red market, green P&L is probably my favorite day.
Ooh,
No need
look
to
at
get
that.
back. I'm good. I've got some shit I got to take care of, y'all. A little 7-band day for me. So
Damn, Shawty.
Fuck!
What?
Is that taxes?
yeah.
Yeah. Straight to the tax.
Little 7-band day for the IRS.
You know, got to pay them somehow. Love you guys. See you later.
Love you,
Later,
dog.
man.
Later, though.
Look at
Later,
Microsoft. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles in a row.
Anybody take the short there? Rooster, did you take that short with me? Rooster? No?
Ooh, now there's one. When did that NVIDIA one come in?
15 minutes.
Oh, it signaled an additional short at 220.
This is a profit-taking spot and a move stop into profit spot.
Gnarly. See, this is good price action. Something that's actually constructive more than just chase momentum all the time.
I would not be surprised to see a bounce here.
I think that's pre-market lows for both SPY and QQQ right here.
I would love to see it not hold and just keep going, but if you're just being realistic, this is a great spot to take your profit. Oh, last one live, new hype day. Whoa. Easy killer, easy. There you go. Took that long bounce right here.
Way to go.
I don't know, Rooster will be here in 2 minutes to say he got long at 3. Let's see, what was the low? 355. He got long at 357. Maybe midpoint you took the long too, Tommy.
Take you away.
IB midpoint and yesterday's close, both right there. Not a terrible spot to try a little long ski. Wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce 50 points. Yes, midpoint of IB. There you go. How about that exit, guys? Well, boom. Should be a 5-minute buy signal coming in here, right?
There 100% is a 5-minute buy signal, both SPY and QQQ right now. That is correct, Mundo. Low of day in. I mean, fuck you talking about? That's not low of day. Low of day was
Yeah.
5 hours ago.
5 hours ago.
That was 5 hours ago.
We got an hour and a half left in the day. What a great day.
INTC stick. How high can it keep going?
Do you know who I don't like anymore? Knots.
He's just never here. Thought he wasn't here before. Wait until that baby actually comes out.
Pump it.
Don't worry.
I bet Frankie bought that. Yeah, and Knots is just not my friend anymore because it doesn't ever come on the stream. Says he's busy or something, like he's gonna be a dad. I don't know. Wait till you have 3.
There's 55 seconds left in this candle. If they close it green like this,
I didn't flip long, but I did cover my short perfectly.
this candle closes and we're hitting midpoint right now in the range right here on both SPY and QQQ.
Back into the 9, back into view up.
If we push through this on the next candle, that's 1, 2, 3. That'll be 4 for 4, like Wendy's.
Nice long, guys. Those of you that hit that. That's why I like that. That's why we're the wolf pack right there. We trade in tandem with each other, confident with each other. Some of you guys are looking at that level, that area down there. I'm exiting shorts, pass the baton. Boom. KC's got the buy signal coming in.
10 seconds. Some volume behind that candle too.
Yeah, on Qs especially.
3, 2, 1. That is a confirmed buy signal there on that candlestick.
Yeah, if you wick down to like 400, maybe you think about it.
I would say, it's below the candlestick, which is below
this?
pre-market low, so it's same thing. It's long, just risking pre-market lows.
Who's this guy?
Wow, you changed the name.
Oh, Knots loves me.
Nuts.
What?
Look at this guy.
Wow, you speak of the devil. He just comes and says hi.
I've been hearing a lot of shit being talked.
Yeah, about you. Talking about you, sir.
I know.
Jake, your baby maker.
Yeah,
The baby
I know.
maker.
It's been hectic lately. I will be on these soon.
Dad, you told me that a month ago, sir, when I texted you.
Yeah, I
You
probably
hired a
did.
nanny yet?
What happened?
You're gonna need a nanny.
Wait, did he lag or did I lag?
You did.
A nanny.
You're gonna need a nanny.
Oh, no nanny. That's
Pretty
what
soon
grandma.
you'll have all you guys with all your kids behind you.
Yeah,
we're
true.
gonna put them on a separate stream one day.
Now we just gotta wait for Jordy, but no rush, Jordy. No rush.
We're gonna
One day.
we're gonna set up a separate restream, and it's just we're gonna stream like Coco Melon or something, Lippy, and we're just gonna have our camera on all of our kids. And there's gonna be our kids watching Coco Melon together.
Jordy's working the vibe. He's got Jack Johnson going.
Oh, Frank!
Oh, Frank, just boom!
Oh,
Waited all
cherry
day
on
for that.
top, man.
Said I waited all day for that.
Oh, lordy. Frank, you're a G for that. Gosh.
I'm gonna hit it again if it gets a little higher. Maybe
Well,
that's
my
it.
gentle ladies, I will catch you later. I have to go do something.
Dude, I appreciate you
sir.
putting
Thanks
that
for
as your
coming
name,
by.
though. That was nice.
No, it was honestly, I love this guy Ryan, so that was my username.
The funny thing is, I looked up, it said somebody joined. It said Imp Smells joined. And so I just changed the name real fast before I added him to the stream.
Oh, my goodness.
I'll catch you guys in a bit. Love you. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.
Take care, Nicholas.
I'll be on there tomorrow. I'll be on there tomorrow, Em.
Okay,
All right.
better.
I'd like to see us close below.
Later, Gator.
I don't know, what's the 10-minute look like? 10 minutes pushing over the previous two candles. 15-minute flying over the previous candle. What I saw that question. SC just catching up. Sorry, we were saying hi to our buddy there. I saw these lows coming in, getting broken here. I also know from the initial balance, you have a statistic that you retrace to at least here pretty often. So I just put a couple things together, plus previous session high, previous session close down in this area. So those are targets. So this was target. These, and if I go to the 5-minute, you can kind of see when you came down to this equal low, it put in this little bison signal here that you heard KC talking about. But then when it came back up here, this candle right here was like, okay, this is a turnaround. And then when we broke down to the same low, and then we got immediate sell pressure on this next 5-minute candle into kind of this area up here, point of control, immediate sell pressure here. And then right here, you back tested IB high, this 450 area that was kind of the overnight highs as well. Opening print high, short right here. And you look for this 25% retracement into the IB, which lined up with some of this action. And then your next spot to trim was there. Since you've broken previous day high, it is unlikely that you close the day red. You usually close green. So there's more confluence to get out. Turn it back around. There you go. Evening stars, I'll answer for KC before he answers. Evening stars absolutely work on any time frame. You just have to be more patient on higher time frames for the confirmation to finish. Plus, the higher the time frame, the more bullish the odds are that it, like in general, that the market goes up. So like obviously a monthly chart versus a daily chart versus a hourly chart are three different things, but they absolutely can, right, Casey?
Yeah, 100%. I'm trying to find an example right now of a stock that currently has one, but that's kind of hard to find in these market conditions. But I'm currently looking at Delta, right? So if you go to ticker DAL on the daily chart right now, look at
that's funny. I read your mind before you got there.
yeah, so I'm kind of looking for continuation downside here on Delta. You have a potential evening star starting to set up, coming back down. There's a small little gap underneath of it too. That could be that extra little continuation.
This isn't the best example, but this is pretty close. So you had two candles in between here actually, but you had this candle. So you have big candle up,
yeah,
validation, big candle down, and then the next one follows through. But on this candle, you usually look to get in on a wick of the next candle for the follow through. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to find another example.
Yeah, I'm scrolling through daily charts right now. It's just this market that
This
we're
one
in.
here's a pretty interesting example. This one's, I mean, it's daily, but you have a move up, The overall trend is down. You have a move up. You have the reversal candle into the 50-day on coin, and the next day it's straight down. And then you see as the daily plays out, there's your continuation. It's not like a super clear example, but it's just one of the first ones I've ran into here. I'll just try to find a.
I'm going to call that a win right now from the buy signal coming up here, at least a 5-minute 21 for the retest for the reversal on it. I think that's great. Now, if you start pushing above here, and I think that's kind of icing on the cake. But from that long, I would say stops would be going to entry here.
Yeah, and just to add one thing on this long, so like Tommy, I know took this trade. When you break an IB to one side, and you come back to the midpoint, the strategy that a lot of people use as a pretty good win rate is you long the IB midpoint, and you look for it to go back to where it came from instead of continuing all the way across. So you get here and you look for it to bounce back here. You first trim is probably at the midpoint of those two, here and here, and then I don't know. Jordan knows this strategy a little bit better than me, but at a certain point, like like Clear Edge and the automated ones, they'll go ahead and like put your stop in profit once it clears here. They'll start trailing.
Yeah, I'm like halfway to the profit if we're talking IB strat specifically.
Yeah, so like here's the midpoint of the IB on ES. This already played out once today. You hit the midpoint of the IB here. You ran right back to there.
I have a feeling
Now,
Frank shorted this
time.
pop.
A little bit. We had stops in there.
I think maybe it's on the next candle into 450, 460 rejection.
Yeah.
God, I mentioned this one a little bit ago. This one was looking ugly. Honeywell does not look good.
Industrials have been getting hit the last couple of days. They're selling out of industrials and buying semis, tech.
What's your Homebuilder's is red. What does HD look like? Not too terrible. Lowe's is still kind of iffy.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm probably going to take these deltas before I bounce for a little swing into FAFO Friday.
Tommy got on the wrong train. He's headed to LA instead of San Diego.
Let's go.
Banana, what's an inverse Quasimodo? I feel like I've heard that before, but I don't remember what it is. Or are you just talking about like the hunchback? Oh, like a slanted head and shoulders. I got you. Uh-oh. Are we going to get a little, like, shooting star hanging man up here on the daily? Tomorrow breaks today's low. I will be short. No bony frill. The bony frill. The shoe drop. The Vommy Dolph.
I hate trading this name. I do not want to swing it. Next target on Qs will be pre-market high above here, which is just underneath 640 cycle level at 639.83. For a FAFO, for Delta, 68 puts for next week. They're cheap. They're $1.10.
See the VAV weekly candle with 1 day left. Looks like it could be a hanging man, but not really because it's kind of below here. But then you look at the daily. This daily looks like just kind of like a flag pull back into the EMAs. True Social. Holy crap. Ballroom. Drone proof ceilings and roofs. There you go.
Got plenty of time. I'll let things sit for a few. Go through some charts. So start grabbing some things.
Here's the next candle I was talking about into 450. This is a pretty powerful candle. It's awfully tough to want to short right here. You need a rejection.
CVS just got a ripper. God, Costco was a great freaking short at 990. Your daily 9, 21, and 50 were all sitting at the exact same place on your daily chart this morning on Costco, like 994. All three of them. NCLH just filled the gap.
Look at that. Right at 450. There's a 15-point rejection already.
Let's go look at...
It is expensive to get Costco puts, but gotta pay to play.
Look at JetBlue. Look at that daily.
Oh, gross. What did they do?
Dude, I'm telling you, cruise lines are already selling right now. I think a few of these airlines can continue to trickle down.
Yeah, it's all oil related.
Yeah. American Airlines is holding up decent. United, a little doji right now. Gap to fill, though, underneath that one as well. So if it loses 93, like 20 area, like $90 on UAL.
Everyone want to short crude into the close here? See this trend line break?
What's the
MCL?
LUV? Love. What's the ticker for all the airlines?
Jets.
Jets.
Little 5-minute reversal right here at the off the level.
Oh, you want a potential daily reversal setup? Ticker JETS. Jets. Nothing beat a Jets 2 holiday like an evening star to send you lower. Can you even trade options on that thing? I don't think I've ever done it before.
Very liquid. Those ETFs are very liquid on the options chain. It's not like an XLF or something that has a ton of volume and options. Doom, doom, doom. 450 rejection, 5-minute shooting star.
What the fuck?
Crude dumping. Nobody liked my crude idea?
Dude, you can't even trade JetBlue options. Look at what are you supposed to do?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
It's a penny stock.
And right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. That's 200 pounds off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet 2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. Mark Sanchez approves. Oh, butt fumble, huh? Butt fumble. Butt scratcher.
You could take Jets 26 puts for next week.
Butt scratcher.
Those things are stupid cheap.
Does anybody get out of here?
From 1025 until now, lowest price. Oh.
What are you talking about? This guy wants to short Walmart, dude. Tion?
Walmart?
You're
Costco.
crazy.
Leave Walmart alone.
You think short the shit out of Tesla?
Probably at the daily 50.
Oh, honestly. Jokes aside. Any other catalysts that you see for going short on BE other than its crazy overextension? Stock offering maybe, or does the Oracle deal make them less likely? I don't know anything about whether they may need an offering or not. KC's probably just looking at it from a chart perspective.
For BE?
Yeah.
I'm out that thing. I took puts yesterday at the close. They ran this morning. I put a stop in profit in the last little bit. That one with Carvana, same thing, CVNA on the daily. No, I mean, if it wants to continue to, yeah. So
Carvana, you could probably stay in.
Yeah, I think maybe both you could.
I'd rather stay in something like Carvana than a BE, which is like
yes,
just a market favorite right now.
Yeah, BE was a tough one for me to look at, but your highest level of gamma going into the close yesterday was 200 on BE. And look where it hit this morning on the downside move. Hence why I swung and closed the puts there, but I will revisit it at a later time for another potential re-entry.
AXGN, takeover target. AXGN, look at this 5-minute candle, which is ripski. Sorry, Mike, I just now see this. A bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
Short is still shorting, by the way. It's Tuesday, isn't it?
Bit rude, put that knife in me bag, isn't it?
Knife. Peter Parker.
Peter Parker.
Peter Parker.
Nice job, Russ. $2,200 on the day. What we like to see. Hells yeah.
CNBC, only 3 boats passed through the Strait of Hormuz yesterday. Anybody want a FAFO AXGN? $40 calls? What is SPSC? Good God.
Great Google and Moogly.
Oh, look at this. This is a weekly. Jesus Christ.
Great.
What do you like about this consistency?
Thank you.
Good Lord.
Janet.
Oh, little Janet Reno. Little Janet Reno's dance party. AXGN. Fly me to the moon.
Dude, what the heck? These contracts are just at 55. And they just go to 65. They just went 20%. Nothing happened, but the ask just changed.
Yeah, everybody's getting out of the way.
Oh, freaking stupid. Oh. All right. Gonna bounce here in a few. I am gonna swing the deltas. Grab a few now. Mickey T's still cruising.
New high AXGN. Him selling peptides after they were told they weren't going to sell peptides. Pretty good little thing. What are wave script on the side and what does it do? Oh, you mean the volume profile? You're talking about like this right over here on the right side of my screen? This is the volume profile. It's called VRVP, Visible Range Volume Profile. So what it is it paints where you spent the most time or the most volume happened today. So you have areas of, pockets of high volume, low volume. Like this is your point of control. This is where you traded the most today. And you kind of have a couple other similar ones. So you have like basically a double distribution in some ways here. But like when you bounced off a value area low down here, which is where it gets darker. It's kind of interesting that it holds here, moves quickly through where there's not much volume. And once again, moved quickly through back up here. VRVP, or Visible Range Volume Profile, is the name. My thoughts on Melly have not changed at all. Melly's long term, I'm not trading it. Melly's a long term hold for me. OpenAI, new model aimed at drug discovery.
Let's go. So that Trump signed something for psychedelics earlier today. Hell yeah.
That is true.
Bullish. INTC poppin'.
Yeah, nothing's changed for me on Melly, but I'm not trading this thing actively.
Can INTC just make a new all-time high today?
Oh, Oh, look, Rooster's back. Market stopped dipping. Rooster showed back up.
INTC new high a day. That's a stick coming in. It's $1 away from all-time highs. Just freaking
Ooh, INTC.
INTC. Do you know what that means?
She got her own car. Bro, you throw out some little boozy down in Louisiana, everybody goes crazy. Little boozy. Wipe me
QQQ pre-market high 639.83 is about to hit now. There it is.
I pull up at the club, VIP, gas tank on, eat all drinks on me, wipe me down. Boozy badass.
Pre-market low to pre-market high. Bang.
Any of y'all remember the Set It Off song though?
Set it off.
Set it off in this month.
I don't think so.
Bro, they used to play that and somebody was going to get in a fight at the club. For sure. Or a party or wherever you're at. It was Set It Off and it was a couple of those Little John songs. Throw It Up. What was the other song about Little John that everybody fought? Oh, Little Scrappy, the No Problems, that one. Head Busses. We some head busses. Yeah, Elon already knows.
IWM getting volume. Getting us sticky with the blicky. Yeah.
Is Donald Trump Catholic? I didn't know that. Look at that. They saved it. Is crude still dumping? Oh, let's go. Look at this dump on crude. Right back to the target. SDGR. Schrodinger is selling off on that. Schrodinger. SDGR.
Tell you the daily on crude could be a buy on a further dip. Yeah, one more run.
Yeah, one more shot at that 98, maybe 100.
Yeah. Not yet, but
I don't know why there's a signal on that one, to be honest with you.
I set it off in this mother. Mind of a Maniac. Yeah.
Shit.
Heavy D 705 call on SPY end of day. Whoa. You think we're going to go make a new high day?
Whoa. A little crazy there, John.
Whoa. Heavy D.
Go post these charts before
I'm not gonna lie though, if I'm driving down the road and I see a restaurant called Heavy D Barbecue,
I'm going in.
I'm pulling in.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Post these.
Set it off in this.
I went 4 for 4 Qs is 3 for 3.
IWM, a little stronger than everything else into the close. Catching back up. We're pretty much just flat, honestly. Up 0.12 on IWM, 0.14 on SPY, 0.35 on Qs. Text a little bit stronger. Oh, a little sell.
You have a lower high trend line right there on Qs that lines up at pre-market high.
Little Selsky. I don't know. Only thing I liked was the crude coming down. And it probably is going to bounce right there to target. Oh, it did.
I just posted those charts on X. The last 3 trades on QQQ, it's the only 3 trades today. We called them all out here live. You'll see right there on that chart. The first buy, the sell, and then that third buy down there. So beautiful charts going into the end of the day.
Mike Allen coming in with a good quote. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. What's Dead Money watching here? Why is everything going so slow all of a sudden?
Except for IWM.
On my computer. It's dumb.
You see an inverse head and shoulders on SPX. I don't know. I mean, if you go to your 10-minute, it kind of looks like a head and shoulders. Smaller time frames, a little wonky.
It's difficult here. You're in the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm not doing anything.
SPY's.
SPY's trying to hold for sure. Shows Qs, those are slow and Q. Trying to hold this. It's got to hold this VWAP and the 9, 21.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's here. Let me see. Yeah, SPY's 2 highest points of gamma are at 700 and 702. So,
yep,
it is pinned at 701. We're going just above it, close to 702, and then they get hit at 701.53. They sold it back down, broke 700 to 699.47. So 50 cents, give or take, both directions, and then we're just coming straight back here. IWM is 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive green candles now, though. But I am not giving any money back to the market. I did open up some small FAFOs into the close here
It's hard. Another lower high
on DAL, but
on the 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the 5th lower high.
Moderna. OpenAI's partnering with Moderna on that new whatever drug discovery thing.
But that's it for me, guys. I am going to go.
Are you going outside?
I am. I'm going to go
Is it
outside and
another
enjoy.
nice day?
It is. It's 83 degrees and full sun. So kids are
go,
across
baby.
kids are across the street playing the pool. I'm going to go hang out with them for about an hour or so before we got to come back and clean up and do dinner stuff. And again, been a tough week overall for day trading, but I was able to get myself green, so I'm not trying to overtrade or watch charts any longer than I have to. So
Let's go.
love you guys, and I'll see you
We'll have a
tomorrow
great
for
time at the
FAFO
pool.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We'll see
sir.
you then.
Later, guys.
Later.
Jordan, did you get a post out on that My Fund of Futures thing?
No, I got to.
That. Build your future. Introducing Builder Plan. 1 day to pass, payouts every 48 hours, $75 starting price. Use code WOLF for 40% off. My Funded Futures new account launch today. What were all the details on it? Simplest path to a payout. Builder Plan. No consistency in evaluation. No activation fee ever. News trading fully unrestricted. End of day trailing drawdown only. Passing as little as 1 trading day. Count starts at 0. MLL trails up from there. 50% consistency rule applies to payouts. That's not bad. 50%. Payouts every 48 hours. Maximum 2,000 per payout cycle. 80-20 split in your favor. 2 options at checkout. Builder default. MLL of 2,000. It's max loss limit 2,000. Lower MLL 1,500 is a little bit cheaper.
Oh, this is My Funded Futures, huh?
My Funded Futures, yeah. 40% off too. 2 uses. And then it says you can get 30% off unlimited uses with code WOLF. My Funded Futures. MFFU, I think, is what they actually call themselves. Yeah, I mean, if you had to find a negative, 80-20 would be the only thing. But even then, that's, I mean, 50% consistency. You can take payout every 48 hours up to $2,000. Your loss limit is $2,000. I mean, if you're a base hitter, $200, $300 days, take out $500-600 every 2 days. It'd be nice. And you can pass in 1 day. Sounds like Tommy's about to go lotto as soon as he gets off that train in LA. There's a 2,000 DLL, or it says MLL, max loss, but whatever. There's one version 2,000, one version's 1,500. Y'all must be from the South. I'm from the South, and I'm further than the South now. How about that? I'm the only one from the South. KC, I guess, technically, kind of from the South. builder plan. Oh, and you have a safety buffer is 2100. Evaluation rules, max drawdown 2K, daily drawdown 1K. That's on the 50K builder. Interesting. Oh, they have Quan Tower? This is their trade evade only. On the pro plan, they have Quan Tower. I liked Quan Tower. Oh, there you go. Tommy living life right now. Heavy D, I'm cheering for you, but I have major doubts that we're going to see Hive Day again. I called out Moderna earlier on that headline. Ripsky. I mean, I didn't take the trade. I'm just saying I called out the news. AXGN and SDGR was selling off. Boom. Cat red to green. There you go. Heavy D, I liked Quan Tower when I tried it out. I actually really liked it. I wish more people offered it, honestly. Who's tagging me? Oh, I got tagged in Paper Gains server. What's up, Ticker Tap? I see you over there. Ooh, good call out on this, Keegan. You never, if you're a first time user, you get 50% off. I know they did like a pass one, get one sell like 2 days ago, but what are you doing for earnings on Netflix? Nothing. I've thought about it like multiple times the last 3 days, like trim the position. It's up nicely. I'm not in any options here. I'm only in equity. I think I'm just fine, honestly. I don't really want to. I don't like to do anything before earnings. I usually like to give it a day or two after. If it drops, like, yeah, I would probably buy more in the 90s, but I'd want to look and see why it dropped. But I would probably buy more. I mean, the thing is, you have time. Like, I don't know, if Netflix dropped to 96, 92 or something like that tomorrow, next day, I'd probably start buying some more down here if it came down here. I hope it doesn't. I hope it just gaps up $20, but I just personally, I am long-term bullish Netflix. I really like Netflix. I don't even watch that much Netflix personally. I just like the company, everything they do. Do you think the bottom is in the bottom for what? Today, the market, a certain name. Everybody fall asleep? I'm just chilling.
Wake the fuck up. Market's still open. Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bakey.
On the market to buy shares? Yeah, I mean, there's nothing bearish about all-time highs. I don't know your time horizon, but everyone has a different way of approaching things. I'm not deploying a ton of cash here, personally. I mean, I have a decent amount just kind of sitting over there, but I'm not really just trying to. I mean, one, this kind of run, like, I think you get some kind of like better entry as active as I am, and just in the market in general. But I don't know. There's not like a whole lot that I just want to like chase into here. But if you are, looking 3 to 5 years out, and you look at this weekly. I mean, I would assume in 3 to 5 years you're higher. Do you have another opportunity maybe to buy down here again? Very, very possibly. Yeah, so I don't know. And it depends, like, each individual name and chart where it's at, stuff like that too. But I mean, I think you're fine. Now, buying, like, I saw your, like, obviously shout out leverage shares. That has all kinds of different leverage products. If you are trading leverage, 2x, 3x leverage ETFs, those are directional moves and bets. That's something you probably picked up here. Maybe you picked up, the last day or two, and you're trying to ride this. You just have to be careful if you stay in those for too long because of the daily rebalancing and the erosion that can start to happen. But when the market is moving directionally, they're great to be in. Gets you away from all the theta and the Greeks of the options and all that good stuff too. I mean, right now I'd be looking probably for like some catch-up trades, things that haven't broken out yet, or everybody rushes into certain names. What's catching up to that are still strong, good companies. I am after we reset a little bit after this move, I am ready to start doing new CDC director. Erica Schwartz. All right. But yeah, that's where I'm at on that. Why is my internet so slow? Whoa, Claude has like a little chat. Just sits on the bottom of your screen. That's cool. Am I back?
You're here.
Okay. Um.
Oh. 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 Oh, there he is.
I could just tell it was coming.
Fuck. Who's honking, bro? Chill. People down here are a little impatient sometimes with the horn.
Oh,
Car
dude,
horn, bro.
that's all Latin American countries, dude.
Yeah, man, they big on
They
the
just
car horn.
honk at everyone.
No, LA's
Like
not
in the
even
U.S., the
allowed.
U.S. you honk at somebody, they may pull a gun on you.
Yeah, literally. You don't just
Or like
honk at
you're trying
people.
to fight somebody if they honk at.
Yeah.
In other countries, it's like
No, it's just letting you know
they're not like
that
mad. They're just like, hey, I'm here. Get
Yeah.
out of my way.
Yeah.
It's just not like a rude thing. I remember when I went to Costa Rica for the first time, they just like coming up to intersections because like it's hard to see a lot of times and they
Mhm.
don't have like a ton of traffic lights and stuff. They just like honk to let people, hey, I'm coming into the intersection. I'm crossing.
That's wild.
Just like a little heads up honk, like, hey, I'm here. I don't know. I like Cisco because like some of these things like AMD, some of these names have run to all time high. Heavy D. Heavy D.
There are 30 minutes left in the day.
Actually,
Bing
31.
bang.
All right. Oh, I forgot about our poll. Wow. Basketball, 4th place. I don't know, slow afternoon right now. Shout out to all 300 plus of you that are just chilling with us. Heavy D. Well, lobster for dinner is now turned into the cup of soups. You get the little shrimp flavor Maruchan. What do you guys call that? Jordan, what do you call that? Like ramen
What?
noodle stuff. Like ramen noodle or whatever. You know, like the little
Ramen?
noodle thing that you heat up. Do you call it ramen?
If like or cup of noodles.
Cup of noodles? Oh, is that the other brand?
That's like the other brand. It's not Top Ramen
Yeah.
brand, but yeah.
Down here, they just call them all Maruchan, which is that
Maruchan.
like the brand name.
Oh, it is. It is the brand name.
So they all down here. Everyone just calls
It's
it
kind of
Maruchan.
Maruchan. That's funny.
The shrimp flavor though, that's funny. You had that seafood dreams. My computer needs to restart or something. Vic's under 18 now. Can AMD do it? What's it doing? Ooh. Why is everything so slow? What is going on? It's not my internet, it's my computer must be
fried.
Yeah, I think I had Claude running too much in the background.
Ah.
I mean, my base case. Look
Rocket
at
Lab's
Spy.
up 13% today. Hims is up 13.2.
We're in the box. First hour of the market. Popped above, came back to the middle, and we're still in the box. We're in the
RUM Rumble's up 13% today.
Rumble's been getting some good good headlines lately.
Yeah.
I've never asked AI about trading. So no new all-time highs. We just had that this morning, Roman. I don't need AI to make money. But if AI wants to make money for me, why not? Are we? Any of y'all like wrestling? I'm not a big wrestling guy. Some of the stuff is funny though. No lobster till we hit 500. Oil futures roll tomorrow. Is that correct tonight? I think it's next week. I think it's April 21st is what I've seen for the May contract. May delivery. On CL at least. Speaking of, we still dropping. And look at this trend on oil that just broke. We're at it. Can't we do something like this on InQ? AI. Research that AI has expanded my knowledge so much, but not on women. Yeah, bro, we can tell. Not even AI can conquer women. New high before close. I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna get it. Oh, Jordan, this video is funny though. Hold on.
Which one?
Listen, Mace, I don't have any more questions. Nick, I'm more mad at you because you keep bringing Saturday WrestleMania niggas here, and you don't bring us a Sunday WrestleMania.
Say less, Cam. I ain't got to be
talking to my
here.
producer, bro. You keep bringing Sunday. I need a Sunday WrestleMania. I don't smell what the Usos cooking, and at the end.
You tripping.
Like I know it's fake, but it still made me laugh.
That's funny.
Welcome back to It Is What It Is.
Watch this.
This is a really fascinating first segment to the show.
Where was you at, bro?
Where was you at?
All right. I ain't say you done, bro. I just, my bad.
He did come over there. He also called security.
I was the one that grabbed him.
All right, my bad.
My bad. Goodness, that's funny.
EMC has a headline they're doing more with Netflix. Oos. Look, I don't care for wrestling that much. I've only really been exposed to it because I watch Pat McAfee so much. But dude, the like walkout song that what's his name has.
Who is that?
Yeet, yeet, yeet. His name Jay, I think it's Jay Uso, I think. Have you never seen those walkout?
I haven't. No.
Oh, dude. I'm a big fan of like good walkouts. I love watching like when the boxers come out, the UFC guys come out with like they're like rappers or singers or whatever.
Oh yeah.
I like when like the closer in baseball comes into the game.
Mm-hmm.
Here they go. End of day push here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fight it.
Me neither. No way. Netflix earnings have been closed.
Vest is perpetual futures. So basically, it's a future contract that never expires. It just rebalances to the underlying, but it trades 24/7 on a blockchain. So obviously, the crypto names are on there, but they've set it up now where everything is on there: oil, NQ, ES, RTY, gold, currency pairs, forex, all this stuff. It's all in one spot. Vest allows you to trade that stuff anytime, 24/7. So like Saturday, I was able to short NQ when the news came out about Vance. Also, you can trade your own money, like it's in a crypto wallet or whatever. But they also have a prop firm where you can get funded and then trade their money, and you can get paid out immediately. I passed an account, took a trade like the same night into the next morning, made $1,000, and by that afternoon I had $1,000 in my own pocket. I could make both arguments that you probably just rebalance to the middle to VWAP. I could make the argument that it's still bullish and you track higher. Microsoft's pushing a little bit higher here at the highs, really into the close. Nvidia's sideways. Google's still at the lows. Most things are sideways today. Apple's sideways. Tesla's pretty sideways. AMD is back towards the highs. CrowdStrike's in the middle. Meta pretty much in the middle. Broadcom near the highs, but it's been going sideways up here all day. Amazon it's at the opening print high. Did hit 250 at the open, but a lot of sideways charts across my main watch list here.
What's the name of that service?
Vest Exchange.
I gotta look into that.
Yeah, you have to treat it differently. You can't scalp trade on there because the spread is really wide since they're creating their own market.
Right.
Like they're their own liquidity provider, market provider. But when there's directional moves, you can, just work your way into a trade and ride it. And you don't have to close. It's 24/7. You can swing it, whatever, trade it. You could sit in it for a long time.
What's
work
the
your way?
Points more.
Yeah, it's usually pretty bad. 20, 25 points or something like that.
Yeah.
But you're not trading like an NQ contract as much as you're trading a dollar amount.
Right.
Like leverage like 1 to 5 on the prop. I think it's up to 25 or so if you're on your own. Yeah, you have to work your way into a position, and you have to trade trends. If it's in a range, if it's choppy, like you can't put on a ton of risk. You gotta look to get like if for trend trading, it's incredible. Like when Bitcoin ran all the way down to 60K and then was, bouncing hard back up the next 2-3 days. It was beautiful to get in and just kind of ride it. Just pick your spots.
I did not add today to my Q and SPY puts, but I will tomorrow if the market goes higher.
Yeah, I didn't do anything today. Do they allow overnight swings? Yes. Which is one of the few prop firms that will allow that. The other cool thing is if you make a prop firm payout there, you can just transfer it into your own wallet with them and just trade your own money with them without any of the prop rules. If any of you guys ever traded crypto back in the day, that's what almost all the crypto people like in FTX days and stuff, it was perpetual perp is the term, futures. But perp markets are pretty much the future for almost all of this stuff. I think Hyperliquid's another really popular one right now. But I like Vest because they have a prop firm built in. A little Popsky. Yeah, we got Netflix after the bell. MOC is about to come out. In case any of you are praying for MOC pump, 15 seconds. NVIDIA is a buy side. Cisco's buy side. Apple's buy side. Those are the big ones. Intel, Apple, NVIDIA. Decent sized buy and balance. I don't think it's going to be as big of a one as yesterday. It looks like all this stuff's getting paired off. I hope we don't just grind here. I really hope we do a what's it called? I hope we get like a blow off top. One last piece of good news or something, and then we just it is decent. 2.8 billion S&P, 1.6 billion Nasdaq. That's actually pretty decent size. So this is actually decent size here, pushing us up. Any of you guys like Lumen Technologies? LUMN? Jordan always sit there and watch corn on his phone.
Fuckers gotta badger
Jordan's-
me, dude. I'm just
Jordan's
working all
grinding.
day.
He doesn't have to be here. He's grinding.
Did I get it? Fuck. My mic like cut out there. That was weird. My headphones. Just watching Jack
The
Johnson.
reason I
music
ask is because there's
videos, yeah.
trader I know. We all probably know. That's taking a position here.
Yeah, you know, all the above. All the above. All the above.
Oh, that is it. It's all, look, you have a Guinness, it's a great day either way.
Agreed.
I mean, look, you could have a Guinness to celebrate a green day, or you could have a Guinness to forget about a red day. Either way, you win.
Bro, getting viral videos doesn't even matter anymore because I'm just thinking about the next viral video every time, bro. Just like trying to get another one. Insane. It's like if I don't get one every day now, Emp, failing, dude. Utterly failing. See you Fafo tomorrow? Oh, yes.
Oh, tomorrow is Bafo Friday.
You already know it.
Dude, they actually make Lucid cars? I wonder if you can use Code
Yeah.
Wolf at the Lucid dealership. Like you
That
can,
would be lit. I've sat in a Lucid.
Hey, can I get 40% off with Code Wolf? Oh, it's only for the
Imagine.
prop firm? Damn it.
40%, that'd be lit.
You buy a Lucid car and they give you a Lucid prop account?
Could actually afford a Lucid if it was 40% off.
I didn't know if they actually had like cars on the road or not.
Yeah, I mean, you can buy them. They've been around for a while. It's just like
I've just never seen one. I saw a
Yeah.
the first time not too long ago, but
I think I've only seen them in California, to be honest.
I mean, it makes sense. They start with like LA, New York, Miami. San Fran, Palo Alto. Look, if there's one thing that I can't do, I'm good at a lot of things. There's one thing I'm not good at, splitting the G on a Guinness. I always overshoot that. Every time. Jordan knows. He saw me.
Yeah.
Always overshoot, but it's just so good. Like, how do you stop?
I know.
There's one in Conway? That's crazy.
We just gotta spend a week in Ireland, and all we'll drink is Guinness.
You get sick of it.
And well, yeah, but we'll learn how to split the G pretty fucking quick drinking all that Guinness. I mean, sheesh.
Oh, What a great day.
What a wonderful day.
Baffo. There is 1 minute remaining in the final period. 1 minute. 1 minute remaining. I'm gonna start doing that every day.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. I love it.
It's that megaphone sound effect. It sounds like
I'm long as 75.
it sounds you're at Kroger trying
Oh,
to find.
yeah. Get going. Get going.
Oh, you're about to tap into the golden pocket of the range, Frank. From
Oh, they're coming.
the
in.
high a day to the low. 0.705, 50150 here.
All right, we're in good shape here. I don't care where it goes now.
Does that not sound like? Oh, there's the bell. Jordan Lee, please come to customer service. Jordan Lee, your party is waiting for you at customer service.
Nah, I quit. No,
That sounded awesome.
that was
Netflix.
awesome.
Let's see what Netflix. What time did Netflix come out?
401 here. Calls at 445.
401. Netflix
Yeah.
107.
Numbers coming out fast. Coming out hot.
Oh, down. Oh,
Is it moving?
102.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
$12.25 million or billion, I'm sorry, versus 12.18.
One.
Unchanged
100.
guidance.
100. It's rated 100. 100. 99.50.
Down $7.
Launching updated mobile experience at April that includes vertical video discovery feed. Announced price adjustments in Spain today.
Oh, man, that's a fucking hit. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Good job. KC took some calls, sold some calls against his position. Well, we'll see. I mean, it's early. Back to big cap earnings. Sell the news. Oh, shit. Let's go. Futures down 40 points, 35 points. 99, 99, 99, 99. Oh my God.
I was digging through some of these Netflix numbers. Shareholder letter. Trump said if Adil is signed in Islamabad, he'll go.
Islamabad.
12 days on the NASDAQ, by the way. Green.
12 days green. Confirmed?
12 days in a row. Yeah, we closed green today. It's 12. Market
you.
is closed, by the way. These numbers really aren't that bad.
It had a nice run into earnings.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably what it is for the most part. They did, do have some algos and stuff here, but I mean, a lot of people, they're holding it to see if something crazy happens, and then nothing crazy happens, they're selling.
2.3% of QQQ is Netflix.
Yeah, it's a top 10 holding. Got a little, 40-point drop there? 50-point drop on NQ. Yeah, co-founder leaving at the end of the year. What else did I see here? Reed Hastings, I think is his name. They do have an after-tax impact of the Warner Brothers related termination fee that was given to them. So free cash flow, they updated their free cash flow, but obviously they had to.
I just bought another. I just added to my queue spy puts. I got last price, right? They fucking took me, bastards. Gotta add anyway. So.
Profit outlook was what they missed there. Another True Social.
Oh, that's that.
Why would you build the underground section? I don't know. This ballroom fiasco is a mess. I'd take the other side of this, Black Mamba. I think Netflix stands to make a lot of money for using AI generated content.
Oh yeah, I think so too.
I think that saves them money and gives them a
my
chance
God.
to make. I mean, just think about how much more content they can make without paying anybody.
Give me an alternate ending quickly, please.
Oh yeah, I don't.
You don't even have to bring the artists in. They just do it.
Yeah,
artificially.
you just AGI, whatever, CGI, AGI now.
The actors won't know how the movie ends because they'll do like 7 endings.
They don't even have to. Yeah, they don't even have to do choose your own ending. That'd be sick. I just think about you're watching like Friday Night Lights and you want them to win the state championship instead
There you go.
of
Perfect.
stopping the goal line.
All right, guys.
Well,
I'll see you in the morning.
See you, Frank.
The one thing that stood out to me today was it would take 6 months. You know, that was a crazy that when the market first dumped, that was an ancillary group, but like it shows you what happens if this thing goes on. If they can't settle it in the next 2 to 3 weeks, the market will start to feel it. So it's not a tomorrow thing, but you know, they have to get this thing settled and get that. And the other thing is about payment to go through the Strait of Hormuz. That can never happen.
Yeah, there was a headline not too long ago that several like U.S. oil CEOs, execs were telling Trump like, "There's no way that's going to work."
And those things are, you know, we're far from. Those are things that I'm thinking about. You know, because you want to think about the risk out there. Although the market acts like it's just never going to go down again. 97 Netflix. Oh shit! All right, guys. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow,
Thank
Frank.
you. All right, crew. That's it for me as well. So I'm starting. All right, guys, make sure you leave a little like for us. I think we got almost to 100 likes today. Appreciate that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel.
Bing bong.
Live here if you're new. We're live here from market open to market close every single day. I'm right here. On Fridays, the entire crew is here the entire day. So we had a decent crew this morning. We usually have 2 to 3, 4 of us, but tomorrow we'll have the full crew on here first thing for FAFO Friday. Appreciate
Yes,
all you guys
sir.
tuning in. Shout out to all the people hanging out with us here to the end. Black Mamba chilling with us. Lewis still here. Kareem. Who all is still here at the end of the day? Before I shut this down, who else still here? Day Trader, Broke Dad. Broke Dad been here. He was one of the first people I saw this morning.
Let's go.
This is what it's all about. The company, hanging out. Don't trade alone. It's boring. Lonely. Hang out with all of us. Frazzy been here all day. Tulon, Tusk, of course. Day Trader, I know, was here all day. One Texas, still here hanging out with us.
Let's go, Wolfpack.
Rooster's in and out. You never know what Rooster's doing. Keegan, what's up?
Never let him know your next move.
Big
Rooster.
David. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm a full
Who else? There's
timer.
a few
I
other
love
people
that.
been in here. Banana's been here pretty much all day.
Let's go. Shout out to the crew.
And we have fun. Niles, what's up? Melanie. Oh God. Rooster, please don't. Melanie, we're so glad you're here. Half Pint, what's up? Let's go. Neil, everybody hanging out till the end of the day. What a great day. How long have we been going? 6 hours, 42 minutes on this live stream.
Great
Is he still in
day.
the house?
The best day.
Oh boy, here we go. Get your popcorn out.
All right, we wrapping it up.
Yeah, I was just watching. Yeah, we'll see y'all mañana. Who's coming tomorrow? Who's gonna be here for FAFO Friday in the morning?
Set reminders. Link is made. Go set a reminder.
There's about 14 hungry traders every morning that
Just
are
waiting.
ready to go. I
Just
I
waiting.
open up my 2 computers, get everything fired up. I look over, I pull up the YouTube stream, and I look. I say good morning every morning when I'm getting ready to update everything, get ready to go live, making my coffee, and I always see 14 to 15 hungry traders just already in the chat, ready to go. On a plane tomorrow, Texas? Where you headed? Brian, what's up? Oh, Lori Joe, let's go. Is Netflix a software company now? Oh, maybe. Sort of, not really. I don't think people know. Is it tech? Is it software? Is it
They're in a weird spot.
Are
to be
they
like put in
media?
a single box? You know what I mean? It's hard to put them in a
Yeah,
box.
dude, it's tough because they were valued for a long time as a tech, a tech leader type of company. And now it's like, well, are they a media? What are they? What they do have is a gold mine of data on millions of users.
And that shit is valuable.
And data is gold in today's
gold.
I usually got you on Apple CarPlay half the day when I'm on the road, but I got screen charts. There you go. I know a lot of people in like on YouTube. Obviously, if you don't have YouTube Premium, you have to keep it open on your phone or whatever. I don't know how that works for everyone. I've had YouTube Premium for so long that I listen to YouTube videos, podcasts, whatever, all the time. If I ever have to leave or days where I'm traveling, Jordan's on here live with the crew. I'm always just listening as I travel. Which prop is the best? That is a great question. The better question is, what type of trader are you, and which prop firm account and rules fit you the best? I think that's where your research should start there. But check out Tradeify, check out Lucid, check out My Funded
Whoa.
Futures. My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Lucid, all 3 of those, code WOLF. If you're a value type of person, Apex, use code WOLFX over there. Prop firms for options, it's Vanquish. Check out Vanquish right there, all across the bottom of the screen. My Funded Futures, we're getting updated graphic. We'll get that one on there too. Director, peace. Appreciate you. None are good if you suck at trading. That's probably the best thing Rooster said all day.
Yeah.
YouTube Premium is I love YouTube Premium, and you get music with it. Like, to me, the YouTube Premium is like a must-have. Must-have. Can you guys start earlier instead of at the bell? I like when we talk about the market. Dolls, I mean, I guess I could wake up before 6 a.m.
I mean, if you want me to just start it early and I can go through my news stuff that I do on Spaces every morning, and then you come in, I can do that.
I could do it too. I mean, it's
because it's so late for me already. Like I'm not worried about getting up, so you can come on normal time.
I just don't know. I mean, I'm already on here for 6.5 to 7 hours, and I'm like, what is that extra 20 minutes? But if it helps somebody, I could go earlier. I could go a little bit earlier into the day, maybe 15 minutes earlier.
You don't have to. Either way, I can start it at 9, and then I'll go through my morning stuff with everybody. Either way, I can.
Dude, my alarms go up at 6 a.m.
Yeah, then just let me. Don't worry about it.
Do it. No,
I'll be here.
We can both do it.
All right. Bet.
I just gotta wake up a little bit earlier because that's when I update the thumbnail and titles and everything in the morning. It's not a bad idea, dolls. I love that. Any other suggestions you guys have? Would love to hear them. Takes trying a while to straighten the beard. I don't even try to straighten the beard. I get out of the shower, I come down here, I throw a blow dryer on it for about 45 seconds, throw my coffee on, and it's usually time for me to. What's funny is I start looking around at everything in the market and news, and then next thing I know, it's like, oh, I got to go live. Merch. I'm gonna follow up with them again. Jordan knows I've been knocking on the. We've got a bunch of projects going on right now, but I've been knocking on the door to get this merch store launched for a while. Jordy, show me the cube.
Let's see the cube.
Should be mostly green today.
That's not gonna work, I don't think.
There it is.
Maybe a little bit. Hold on.
I'm trying to get us. I'm trying to get us a merch store.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
She's looking all right. She's looking pretty good. It's like focused in on it now. Yeah. Recommend. Just go to the StockTube X account. Oh.
Bro, we gotta make some money tomorrow for Matthew's birthday now.
Oh shit! Happy early birthday, Matthew.
No, dolls, I'm not getting you wrong at all. I actually love suggestions. If that helps somebody out, it's worth doing.
I like the 30 minutes that I kind of do in the morning. Like, nobody really hops on, which is fine with me because I'm just sitting there talking about news and what's been going on in the morning.
So it's not on Amazon. It's on the website. Jordan, I think, maybe knows how to get the information from them. They're expensive, by the way.
Go here. I'll bring up the X account if you really want to buy one.
Oh, we're gonna hit that 35. Or you guys, you're gonna have to go get that transmission fluid flushed out. The check engine light's gonna come on at 35.
Bro, where is this?
Hell yeah, Matthew. Jordan, you look like brother to Brian Johnson. Who's Brian Johnson?
Brian Johnson, the guy that's trying to live forever. Here you go, guys, for anybody that wants the stock cube.
Can you just drop that in this chat real fast?
Yeah.
I mean, it is sick. I got to see 2 of them in person when I was out there in Puerto Rico. They're sick. I can't justify spending that much money on it, but
yeah.
But it is sick.
That's why, yeah. I probably wouldn't have bought it either, but
appreciate you throwing that up there, Jordan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't even know who Brian Johnson is. I've just googled this
Trying to
guy.
look like Jack Johnson's son. Brian Johnson is like
Maybe it's if Brian Johnson and Jack Johnson had like a son.
it's like this fucking. He's like a live forever guy. I don't know. He's literally trying to live forever.
The stock cube. I think it's underscore the stock.
Underscore the stock cube.
It is right there in the chat. If you pop up a couple spots in the chat, right there.
Yes, sir.
All right, Rooster. Peace out, brother. Did I miss anything else, guys?
You get a haircut this week.
Who is Jack Johnson?
Just
Oh, God.
Don't even get me started. Don't even get me
Ain't no
started.
big three. It's just big me. Drinks his son's blood. That is okay. Wild.
Jordy in the morning. I'll listen to that. Yeah, I've been told my morning voice is to die for. Apparently that's been the sentiment. So tune in 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Good morning, Spacious Crew.
Do you guys know that every single morning since I started Spaces, that was just when I started the first one, and every fucking day since then, I started off with good morning, Spaces Crew. Every day. You have to, bro. It's a staple. Have to.
I've heard you say that so many times. And like this morning, I got out of the shower.
Happy Monday, traders.
I joined
working.
in and I just heard you.
Yeah.
I heard you just lead off with that again this morning. Just like
Sometimes I like really prolong it. I'll get that good in there. Like,
do you remember back in the day? Every day I would join. Like I'd hear you, good morning, Spaces Crew, and then I'd come in and then I'd hit the dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
I miss doing that. That was like,
Every
oh,
time,
interesting.
yeah.
Every time I showed up,
That was funny.
we'd hit the train horn on longs. Cheap ass. It's $400 for what? A little visual behind me that I'm not even gonna be able to look at. It does look cool. Jordan didn't spend no $400 on it.
No, I didn't.
I'm not spending $400 on it, dude. But like, really, am I gonna buy something for $400 to put behind me that I'm not even gonna look at?
Bro, day trader though, but dude, it's tax season, bro. Taxes.
I am cheap.
Fucking broke, dude.
I don't care. I don't care if I had millions of dollars. I'm not, dude. I spend on things that I think are worth, like an experience, worth whatever, something I'm going to use. I don't even get information from that. All that information is on my screen in 5 places in front of me. Why? What am I going to? Oh, it looks cool behind me.
Bro, just say you don't want to aura farm. It's fine.
I don't even know what that means, to be honest.
No aura. Aura minus 1,000.
You know what I do want to do?
Wow.
I do want to just start autographing random shit. I think that's the most. When I think of aura farming, that's what I think of.
I think we should find the most famous people in the stock market trading space and go up to them and like be by them and like drop a piece of paper, and they like see that you dropped it and they pick it up and give it to you and just sign that shit, dude. We should just walk around and just sign that shit. Yeah.
I'm just gonna
Absolutely.
start doing that. I'm gonna drop.
Jim
like,
Cramer just comes. Oh, got you, dog.
Dude, dude, just gonna walk around with a Sharpie and a what am I'm gonna drop like? Dude, we should make like a business card,
bro. Yeah.
Or just like just be like a picture of the stream.
And you're only like holding it with the 2 fingers, you know. Here's my card.
Like, hey, you dropped this. Oh, just sign it and walk away. Oh, that's the ultimate aura farm.
Do that shit. So
I would love to do stuff like that out in public. Just like goofy videos. It'd be even better down here in Mexico. People would be so confused.
Yeah. Go fund me for Ryan to get him a cube. He wouldn't even buy the cube at the $400. He would buy funded accounts. I already know.
If you gave me $400, I would
buying funded.
Stole that shit.
It's like
stole that shit,
bro.
It's not the price. It's the value for the price.
You can get max allocation almost on Tradeify with that price.
I mean, like here's like 400. I sit here, I think about $400, and I'm like, dude, the amount of things I could do with $400 that would be better than a dumbass stock cube. And it is cool. Like I'm not saying it's not cool. It's just, is it cool for $400? No. To me, it's not. What's up, Alan?
I'm guilty of buying dumb shit. I'm not gonna lie.
I just don't. I don't know. I don't even spend money like on a lot of clothes or anything like shoes. Not like spend money on like experiences, doing stuff, or like something I'm going to use every day. $400, I'd throw up another monitor up here, maybe.
Kind of want another one. Just don't know where I put my camera. Like my camera's high enough. I can't have it any higher. I don't even like how high it is, but
I lose 400 daily trading the stock market. Yeah, well, okay. It's once again, it's not the $400. It's $400 for something that's just sitting back there. It's it gets a value argument. I don't know. I just don't. I dropped.
I haven't worn these in a while.
Every week.
My eyes are probably so cooked, bro. I can feel it, honestly. Staring at this chart all day.
Oh yeah, is that what we're doing?
I just don't. Sometimes I don't want the orange tint. Sometimes I just want clear tint.
I have the clear ones too.
You know,
the reason I didn't put them on today is because like I was wearing my regular glasses the last few days. I finally got my contacts back in today.
I also can't wear headphones with this. It just hurts. Like after 30 minutes, it just hurts. I need the smaller glasses, the wire ones.
See, I wear sunglasses all the time. That's another reason why I stopped, because I used to have like Beats headphones and something out like the over-the-ear ones. I stopped wearing those because I wear headphones so much that sunglasses so much that they're just annoying. Or if I ever have my regular glasses on, it's just... Is that John Lennon? Bob the Builder glasses. All right, chat. We're out of here.
Peace out, crew. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's have another great day.
In the morning.
And the week strong. Peace.